InstaCuppa portable blender with USB-C port charging cable included, built with a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery that takes only 2 to 3 hours charging time. Red light indicates charging mode, while blue light indicates full charge mode, in 150-watt motor, and fitted with 6 stainless steel blades in 400ml capacity, and powers up in push start button. Enjoy your protein shake and fresh fruits. Each click works in a short burst of 30 to 40 seconds, or blend leafy veggies in less than 3 minutes. Built with wide mouth opening for convenience, makes drink preparation effortless and fun, versatile and multi-purpose. Enjoy its easy-to-hold grip feature, can even crush ice cubes in a minute. And cleaning is just a piece of cake. And remember not to immerse the USB charging port in water. Enjoy up to 15 blends, easy to carry, certified travel friendly.